I wish it would happen for 2 days only. I know.
What are you recording with anyways, though? Over there. Man, it's wet. I didn't even realize it was right now.
You guys scared to let you?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, close the door. You're making it uncomfortable for him.
No, why are you coming in the back?
Tenemos que acabar viendo la película, ¿no?
Angel, just see.
Bueno, pues a ver si no truena y...
Tengo aseguranza además para la película.
Angel!
Well, I do. I didn't get a new one right away.
Somebody fart?
Yeah, I smelled that too. I said you farted. You did.
Look at the water coming in.
It's because I had left it open by accident.
You don't want to open it. There's
I
a lot
know.
of water.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh man, the carpet got
This is
wet.
awesome.
Yeah.
Why'd you turn it off?
Oh man.
Oh yeah, man. It's wet there?
Yeah.
This is awesome. Oh yeah.
You didn't even realize, oh, he's all playing. He's there. What?
Ooh. That lightning.
I know. Turn off that light.
I know it's right now.
Let's go. Now we can't watch TV now. Remember you were over there, guys, and it was raining really hard and the power went out?
¿Sabes que sí es bueno tener...
I'm scared because of dark.
Look.
Sí es bueno tener... Como
Leave the light
mañana
on.
compramos velas.
¿Los tubitos que teníamos?
Oh my.
Aparatos, están dos aparatos.
¿Cuáles aparatos?
Pues esos
The
que
power's
le
out.
prenden.
Right, Isaiah.
Is the power out?
Oh, los, okay, ya sé lo que dice.
No, it's not
Se llaman
out.
aparatos, ¿no? ¿Cómo se llaman?
This is awesome. Keep
Aparato
it
es como
on.
diciendo algo que no sabes el nombre, pues el aparato.
¿Cómo se llaman, Marta?
Lanterns.
Bueno, de esos.
Ah, no, necesitamos cargar eso. Hay un lantern que light
¿Pero
up.
por qué no dejas la puerta abierta? Está haciendo calor acá.
Ah, bueno, ábrela. Tú...
Pero yo tengo miedo al...
Yeah, why do you have the lights off?
No, only that light on. No, only one light on.
Mira, yo parece que está una... Espérate. La prende.
¿Qué no vas a entender? No te vas a entender.
What?
They're dying out.
The power's what?
I didn't say anything about the power.
Dang it, it's dying now.
The rain.
Darn. Man, we barely get any rain. Even Yuma gets any rain, barely.
Stop with that stuff, baby.
But I can't see anything.
Drop it on camera.
Ah, I can't see anything. Dang it, Angel, why is it slowing down?
It was just a little storm that passed through.
Dang it. Why can't we live in Florida? Florida has more thunderstorms. Yeah. Oh. How many? What degree is it? Is it wet?
Oh, God.
Is it wet or not? It's going down good.
Isaiah.
Man, dude.
I'm Isaiah, look.
That's not what I did.
What do you do with it?
Yeah, what was yours?
He keeps his back straight. Keeps his back straight.
Hey, are the birds in there?
No,
Oh, why? We didn't touch them.
they grew up and left.
Oh.
Like when kids are 18, they grow up and leave.
Angel.
Not fast enough.
Nah.
Oh, we can keep doing this like
Go run in
every...
the mailbox.
No! This is...
I'll give you nothing if you do.
that's not fair at all. Where's Sergio? Sergio! ¿Ya lo buscaste?
Ya la buscaste. Ya la hallaste.
It's on the flashlight.
Pero ¿para qué tienen todo eso si todavía hay power?
Well, we have it off,
Oh, nomás
so
para
electric.
una emergencia saber dónde está.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going down.
¿Y con quién andabas hablando que colgaste?
Ok, me habló.
¿Y por qué colgaste? Porque los trenos, ¿verdad?
No, ya iba a colgar, ya
Oh.
estaba ahí, coincidió, Es que dice que a ver si quiere venir unos 2 días, unas 2 semanas.
Ya sabes.
Angel, on the
Oh.
Xbox, it didn't use signal, so it didn't go out. What? We're looking at it, Angel. Does it use signal? The Xbox.
I don't know.
No, it doesn't.
Ya ves, ya se va a acabar.
Ya, ojalá.
¿Ah?
Let me turn it on.
Es que lo que yo le tengo miedo es a los truenos, Marta.
Ya sé, a mí también. ¿Se acuerda cuando yo y Isaías corrimos a su cuarto?
Sí. Claro, la policía, porque hay hasta choques.
¿Vamos a agarrar una nieve o algo?
No,
Crazy baby.
¿qué, güey? Ahorita hasta lo de la nieve te va a cerrar, güey.
No.
Ya no la tiene.
What? Look like a chicken like getting ready to go.
I go like this.
Whoa.
That was barely anything. It was like it got jammed a little bit. It's sprinkling too. Look at that. Sprinkling.